So this is by far the best shop light I've ever owned. This is the Astro LED 410 lumen rechargeable shop light. Best shop light I ever owned. So I'll do a lot of my own automotive work. And man, this thing will last me a whole session working under the hood, and it is tremendously bright. So that's why I like it. It's magnetic. So we would just come in, stick it up. When I'm working on the vehicle, this helps, right? So you got all these, you know, you got metal here. I can stick it in certain places to give me the lighting that I need. Quick story. So our pest control guy came over and he was checking our basement, annual inspection. So he's walking around checking the basement, but he left his shop light in the truck. So he's using his cell phone. I said, let me go to the garage, I got one for you. So man, I fired this thing up, whee! And I go around helping him. He's like, wait a minute, let me take a picture of that, because I'm ordering that when I get home. He's like, that is the brightest light that's portable that I've ever seen. So again, this guy's working every day in the field, professional, but just another example of just how durable and how bright this light is, and packed in such a compact profile. That's what's amazing to me. You remember the old days where you got the bulb and you had the long cord and all that, and you got to whip it around trying to light up stuff. This is that and some. So if you need a quality shop light, something you use working on the vehicle, something you can use, put in your emergency box, emergency preparedness box, definitely give this Astro some consideration.